Welcome to airport. Enjoy. Bye bye luggage. Goodbye luggage. Usual bag. 3 bags. Wow, yeah.
Buti nga na, direct ko. Nag-base ako, na-video rin. Doon lang.
And so in a charging station.
And so, wag ka na mag-ano ha, wag ka na mag-video ha. Dapat pastor 8 ha. 8:30 na.
Upo muna yan. Upo.
Sold out. Rice, egg, chicken, gravy, corned beef, red fat burger steak, hot dog, 2-piece chicken, joy spaghetti, 1-piece chicken,
Okay.
joy spaghetti pan burger steak, 1-piece burger steak, 2-piece burger steak, tuna pie, joy crispy fries, hot dog, salad,
Nakakabangga ka, di mo tinitingnan.
alright, and burger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger, bacon, cheeseburger, bacon, cheeseburger, rice chicken, wow, yes, coffee blend, cold coffee, hot coffee, the bird, right, number bird, a bird girl.
Ilagay mo yung bag mo, tapos sa... Enzo, here.
Wow,
Enzo,
yeah,
sit down here.
I want to Philippines Airlines,
Kukunin ko lang si Chester Ring, the plants.
Georgie Station,
Yeah, check.
Sabah, at Sabah, Georgine Station,
Yeah,
Georgine Station,
yeah.
Georgie Station, Georgie Station, Georgie Station. Wow, yeah. Fountain, Jollibee,
Eating breakfast.
eat breakfast, Jollibee. And so, Michael Laszlo, please subscribe. Hello guys, rice, white rice, egg and chicken, and gravy,
Go faster.
ice, coffee, gravy, and water.
Naiiwan ka ng airplane. Eat na.
Let's eat breakfast. Let's go.
Maestro ka na, be?
Ha. Your whole day.
Nasa paso, naiiwan ka ng airplane.
Cellphone na sa nilagyan ng pagkain.
No, pastor. Oh, hi.
Okay. Yeah.
It's so sweet. Let's do dinner this time. Ciao.
Eat the rice.
Yan ang ganito sa Australia. Ganyan ka din na ako. Ganyan kasi nakukuhaan sa lahat.
We need more grape. And now this grape. Wow, yeah. Maybe chicken and garbage rice. Chicken. Enough.
Ganun lang.
Basta pagkain, independent.
Just her independent then. She is by herself. Yes?
Delicious.
Sabi ko, medyo sayang yung lunch, hindi nyo ginagamit.
Saan?
Lounge. Philippine Airlines.
Di ba dati nag-lang sila?
Hindi ngayon, pwede naman gamitin yun.
May libre pagkain.
Libre pagkain ko.
Ano so my?
Magdapag tayo kumakain. Ganun.
Ganyan yun.
Kabayaan mo.
Kayo na lang itong rice, ayoko na. So, sa'yo na lang itong sausage.
Hey daddy.
No. No.
Daddy, hungry.
You want some?
Okay.
Today is Daddy's
Birthday.
how old?
How old?
42.
Konti ko ka ba agad?
45.
45.
Hindi na bata.
How about mommy?
Mami,
May sobrang isang hadyo.
42. 45.
be, 42 ka daw. Tapos sa 42.
42 years old?
Mami mo? Mami mo, 42?
Libre kita.
Bait ng mga ibon dito.
Itukli ka pa.
Bakit may PWD?
Yaka, tatlo.
I will have.
The bird.
Puro din sa amin. Hindi ko na nag-check eh.
I want. Beth? Hindi, Beth.
Isa sa'yo na lang to.
Ba't yan sila? Hinigay mo kay Enzo?
Kiss ka to. Hadyo ko sa inyo.
Hindi kumakain.
Sa'yo.
Hindi ako makakain.
Ang aga. Tuk pa ako. At busog na ako.
here. Wait, eh.
After you eat, wash ka ng hand, ha?
Eat the rice.
Kasi mag-wash tayo ng hand later ah. Ate, are you done? Your egg pa. Ayaw mo na? Ay, wala.
Chef, I can now cover and wash my hair, okay? I can help you, okay? If you could, you tell me, okay? No, hindi.
May wash station doon. Pwede magugas na kamay doon. Tapos na to.
I will go there, Mami.
Ano
Mami,
yun?
here, okay?
Dami ka.
Yung dalawa lang ito, mahaba na.
Mag-wash ng hand ah. Faster na. Hindi, at the end mo, samahan ko later maghugas. Ay, nagkumulas ng laptop. Faster na. At mag-wash ka ng hand and then si daddy, oh, look at daddy. Nag-charge. Enough na. Nagdala ka charger. Charge ba ako pati? Oh, charge ni daddy yung 10 na yun. Ah.
No. Parto na.
I-charge niya. Ayun o, i-charge. May charging station doon. Charge ko pa pa yung phone ni daddy. Faster na at mag-gawas na. Ikaw talaga yung ano. Dala mo naman. Magalit.
No, nag-allow. Baka mawala doon yung phone. Are you finished?
Eh, pati yung nakahawak. Faster na ito.
Oh, shit, mo.
Kaya nagkasi yung picture. Ganda yung quality ng face sa atin.
Ma!
Ikaw, hindi ba yung enough na yan, Enzo. May hot choco pa isa, oh. Kasi 9 ang nalagay natin eh. Si Jessica nga pala ni Mayo. Si Enzo kasi hindi ko nakibili ng drinks. Uy, that's enough, Enzo. Mag-wash na ng hand. Isang bitong yung bag ko. Pag nawala ang laptop ko ay mura lang yung laptop, yung lisensya ay mahal. May license yung ano, yung laptop, yung mga apps. Eh, suppose mo yan.
And coffee.
Ice mocha.
And ice mocha.
Get your water. Pumunta sa Philippine Airlines.
May hot choco pa. May, ano, che. Wag na.
Wow, yes. Like and subscribe. Bye now.
Meron pa.
Like and subscribe. Bye now.